Sources telling your channel that Sasikala is not actually keen on a floor test. She will rather parade her MLAs in front of the governor later this evening. Meanwhile, OPS claims the support from 40 MLAs himself and wants a floor test. So two camps, two different strategies they are going to adopt as soon as the governor is back in Chennai. And I believe Shabbir has more details on these strategies coming in from the two camps. Shabbir, what are you picking up on why Sasikala would not be keen on a floor test?
Because the AIADMK is very clear that they have 132 MLAs on their side and they don't want to face a floor test because they have the MLAs on their side and they will be parading those MLAs in front of the governor later this evening. And they have also got the supporting the letters from each and every MLA supporting VK Sasikala for to become the next Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. In fact, a decision has already been taken in the Legislative Party meeting and she has been elected as the next Legislative Party leader of the AIADMK. So that is something which is very clear. And at the moment, as far as things are concerned, they say that they have the numbers and they have the MLAs along with them. They are right now in AIADMK leadership's control. So they will be parading those MLAs and the governor will have no other option but to invite her to form the next government. So that is the strategy of VK Sasikala. But on the other hand, O. Paneerselvam, when he meets the governor later this evening, he will press for a floor test because O. Paneerselvam claims that he has the support of 40 MLAs. But we haven't seen those MLAs right here at his residence. In fact, yesterday when there was a show of strength at the AIADMK headquarters, everyone was wondering as to how many MLAs were there. The numbers were varying between 90 to 100 and 120. But what about the other MLAs? We did not see the MLAs here, but O. Paneerselvam's camp says that they have the support of 40 MLAs, and that's the reason why they want to go for a floor test because the allegation that will
all
be leveled
yesterday when OPS was giving those sound bites to media, he kept maintaining that I have the support of MLAs and I'm willing to prove that on the floor of the assembly. And of course, there are three key players in this entire saga, one being OPS, the other Sasikala, and the third, of course, is the governor.